Okay. All right. I think I'll send this video to my buddy John. What it turned out to be is, the good news is the gears are fine. They're worn, but you know, they're a match set. I'm gonna leave them in there. I took this back bearing out and replaced it, and that was the culprit. It was pretty crappy. But while I'm in here, I just decided to replace all the bearings I could. I put the new bearing back in behind this, and it's in. That's the new bearing. That's one of your clips you gave me. That's a new bearing behind there. The case looks pretty good. This seal was obviously leaking, but I have a new kit for that. And I got this crappy ass GM spacer off of here. Man, these suck. I'm waiting to get that off of there for a while. Who runs GM wheels? Alright, so for my buddy John and for YouTubers, this is not a fast motion video, and we got a lot done. This was the culprit. I think it was this one. It was pretty bad. It was growly. Okay, so we're gonna clean this gasket surface up a little bit. I got a new gasket. Gonna clean that up. We're gonna button it up. Kind of clean this drum a little bit. The shoes are wasted. The e-brake cable. The e-brake cable was actually worn to where it was touching the drum and it broke. You can see it's all shiny. Wow, that must have been a fun ride down this mountain. These are toast. I'm just gonna clean it up lightly, and I don't have any shoes, but these will be okay for a parking brake to work. Yeah, we're not going the full distance today, but we did get in here and rebuild what we could. These are all new bearings. The gears are good. Okay, that's it for now.